You guys are not gonna believe this. I just got GixxerBrah here, and I think we can finally get his face. There he is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so excited right now. I can't even contain it. Wait, where'd he go? I don't. What happened? I'm generously lending the R9 to GixxerBrah, so he's gonna take good care of it. I already know. My rule is nothing crazy until it gets to 170, please. Temperature, and I need gas.
Cop right there.
Oh. All right, cool. There's already a cop there. So you got your, this is your introduction to Ohio. Hopefully it gives you a nice warm welcome by tackling you off the bike. Yo, you're full on gas, sir. Why did you pull up next to the gas pump? All right, so here's the rules for the R9. No wheelies, no going fade. Ride it like a normal citizen. Change the oil when you're done, clean the chain. Make sure to give it a nice good kiss when you're done with it.
I mean, I probably will do that part.
You know, if you have any accidents when you're on it, make sure you wipe it up when you're done, because I know it's such a faster experience than anything you're ever used to. Can you not doom scroll while we're out having a family time together? Can we like talk to each other and like have a real human experience instead of just...
Hold on, does it leave all that off, or I gotta go in there and do it every time?
He's trying to turn all my electronics off so he can be illegal. Maybe keep the electronics on so that way you're less likely to do stupid stuff on my motorcycle that I paid my own money for. Take a quick flick. Thumbnail.
I wanna go ahead and explain this.
What? This is my girlfriend.
Oh.
I showed him the photo of me and you shirtless.
Oh, no.
I showed him this photo. Well, I asked him to take a photo, and then he saw this in my camera roll and was like, "What kind of Grom photo are you guys taking?" The Grom video in question.
Does your boy here run with his no plate life, or what?
No, he's stopped.
Why is he running no plate then? That's what I don't understand, Matthew. If you're running no plate, you run. Why? Otherwise, leave the plate on.
Because I don't really know why he has that mentality.
Get over it. No rocks on me.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I don't want to scratch my paint. That's like the worst part about riding bikes. Like when you're riding my bike, I have to worry about spraying rocks on my own motorcycle. All right, or just accelerate. Don't wheelie in this area. This is a bad area to wheelie. This is not a good place. No, stop it. This is Broadview Heights. They will chase you like you committed a murder. If I'm being open and honest with you right now, I got a little bit of stress going on in my mind right now because this is the first time I've ridden the H2 in like over a month, and like it's a little scary, a little adjustment.
Just ride it like it's a normal ass bike.
I know, I am. It's just a little freaky. You know, it's kind of interesting to feel it. It's not a bad thing. It's just like I'm a little nervous.
Just remember, you know, it's only as nasty as you let it be. You know.
All right.
It's literally a Honda Grom. Okay, maybe it's not a Honda Grom, but it's What about cops here?
No, Parma. This is pretty bad too, but...
You said clutch up?
No, brother, no.
Come on, man. There ain't no cop here.
Well, sometimes they sit over this hill right here. There's like, Parma cops will sit right on the left here. Not always, not a guaranteed thing, but Parma is another city that's kind of like, they're insane. Like, they kind of just collapse on people. Like, if you ride through there by yourself, they're for sure gonna pull you over. If you're with a group, they usually give you a little bit more leeway. If you're by yourself, they're gonna target you. They've literally like ripped kids off bikes before and stuff.
So you're saying if I roll through here, mobbing on my supermoto, I'm talking swerving, I'm talking...
They've chased bikes until they die. Like, they're no joke. There's a couple cities around here that you'll be fine messing with, but Parma is definitely not one of them. There's just not a lot of areas to hide, too.
Hey, that's my 636 right there.
You shot Michael. This is GixxerBrah. Mike. GixxerBrah Mike. This is the kid that went from so after Detroit happened, he went from S1000 to that 636. He was trying to cap at you. No, Aaron. This is the kid that got hit by the bus. So he got hit by a bus. See how his Grom's kind of like cockeyed? I like Mike a lot because he went from a big bike to a small bike, and I respect that a lot. So he's cool. Filming with this dude be the most complicated thing ever because he never wears his helmet. He's like the definition of a helmet creator. He has to walk around wearing his helmet. He never wears the helmet because he doesn't want to show his face. Can you finish up with your soybean oil rolls?
Listen, don't remind me of how garbage it is. I just want to pretend that it's actually fresh and delicious.
The first ingredient is sugar and corn syrup.
See, we're already off to a bad start with corn syrup.
Soybean oils, dude. There's every palm oil. Cornstarch. It's got red 40 in it for some reason. It doesn't even have red on it. They're just throwing stuff in there. Don't worry, they got 2 grams of protein on there, so you're good. This is kind of what we do though. This is like the majority of the experience is we kind of just pull up here and we sit here for like hours on end until we get raided by the cops, and then we wait 10 minutes and come back. I was gonna say, you're giving these guys the full GixxerBrah experience. You're getting free dinner with them. Well, they're getting free dinner with you. You should really start charging for this.
Oh yeah, you're right. Really should. You can't actually do anything nice or just be a normal human being.
You gotta to make sure you charge for everything. If you're a motorcycle content creator, you can't meet with them unless you pay them the $15 or $50 fee to meet them.
$15 gets you to ride with me, and for $50 you can suck my dick.
Yeah, we're being sarcastic, by the way. What? We're gonna go up to the pier, probably let brother take some photos or something, because that's like a Cleveland area, and then we'll go to Freddos.
Okay.
We'll chill from there. He's just abusing the bike, and there's nothing I can do about it. Let's go. So just stay behind these gentlemen. If you pass one of them, that's fine, but just try to like let them stay in front. I'm gonna let them lead us because they can all talk to each other.
Yeah, don't worry about me, Bubba.
I'm not worried about you. I don't want them to go out of their skill level and try to impress you. I care about them. They're my friends.
I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I like this road, this highway.
This highway, you like this?
Yeah, it's kind of like the old road in the town. I can tell this is an older highway.
Well, welcome to Cleveland.
This is so pretty. Oh, it's so nice now the sun's out. Golly, it changes my life. My whole life has changed, Matthew. I'm a new man.
Well, you're getting the whole Cleveland experience. See, if you just wait a couple hours, the weather changes like the entire other season.
35-mile-an-hour turn on the highway, brother?
Yeah, no.
That's exciting.
No Cleveland native is taking that corner at 35 miles an hour. Everyone always uses this as an opportunity to just try to show off whatever cornering skill.
Oh yeah, that's sick. That's sick. I don't really trust these freaking Bridgestone tires this thing has.
I don't trust this H2 either. He's scary.
He's got nice tires on it.
I know, but I'm scared of the H2. I'm allowed to be scared. That sun is bright for my little concussion brain. This is Cleveland Pier. This is like it used to be a more common spot for bikers to come and hang out and meet up. Not so common anymore because the cops have really been cranking down on it this year, but...
Oh, I remember this spot. I remember this spot a lot from the video of the cops harassing you.
Oh, yeah. This is where we... Hey, go stand next to the bike. I'm gonna take a photo of you.
Do you want me to throw up a peace sign?
You can do whatever you want. For my video, can you give me a quick, little impression? What do you think? Not, you don't have to go too deep. You can save it for your own video, but I'm just curious, what do you think of the R9?
Oh, just touch on it for... Oh, okay, yeah, that's right, your video. I think it needs a good tuner.
It's tuned by Two Wheel Dyno Works, so you think it's not...
Like on a dyno?
No, it's a flash tune.
I'm talking on a dyno.
Okay.
Really see where it's lagging or not. I don't know what the airbox situation is.
Stock.
There's gonna be some kind of way to crack open that airbox to get better airflow. I guarantee
you think it's an airflow problem?
With more air. It could do better with more air. The way it rides feels great. The front end feels kind of shaky here and there. Feels heavy at slow speeds, but then shaky at high speeds.
Yeah.
You start whipping it around, which isn't ideal, but steering stabilizer, it always fixes that, right?
Yeah.
The wheelie's really good. It's super smooth.
Alright, well that's the opposite of what I said, so thank you.
Yeah, it's super freaking smooth. Third gear's got enough power, you really gotta yank it though.
Yeah.
So not to sit here and say that it just comes up all by itself, but you do gotta yank it in third at 70. But anything slower than that, it comes right up. It's a little too quiet for me. I mean, we need a shorter muffler for sure.
Alright, I like my nice little quiet rides.
Power is that's why all our crotch rockers have ram air.
Yeah, this doesn't.
Crotch rock, it does not have ram.
I know, isn't that annoying?
You gotta look at it. Where does the air go? Where's it going in?
I don't even know. I think it's under the seat or something.
It's not gonna get good airflow that way.
I don't want to say I don't want to act like I pretend that I know, but I don't. But that's just my guess because that's what the MT-07 is. So I hate having to put money into a bike other than just an exhaust and tune. So that's why.
I think that lag in third would go away if it had a direct air duct out. I think that lag, that yank I have to do in third to get it to come, I think that would go away. I think it would just come up. Listen, this is not how you wheelie. Do you see this? You see that? That's how you wheelie. This is not a wheelie. You're looking like this. This is not how you wheelie. That's how you wheelie. Imagine how turned it'll be when you hit the ground.
You really want to watch out for potholes here because there really kind of be some craters around this area, like some actual holes you could take a bath in.
Kind of like that house. That house looks creepy. That house looks like a ghost would be there.
We actually didn't have to go through any craters or nothing. It's right. This is Freddos. If anyone's watching, I know he's beating the crap out of my bike. I know.
God forbid Jake's bike gets ridden one time.
Yeah, I don't know. That's just one time, brother.
Let in the bike.
What the hell?
He's taking over, brother. Tell him. Let him swing that bitch.
All right. Welcome to Cleveland.
Brother's ass swinging.
Bad behavior. Bad. Naughty boy. He's running away from the repo guy. Dude, the takeovers got so bad here, they had to put like rubble strips downtown. Yeah, so this is all like Slavic Village. This is all by Cleveland. Like, you can kind of get away, for the most part, you can get away with like whatever you want around here. Wheelie-wise and like kind of ripping-wise. But it's once you start crossing over into like Lakewood, I don't know, depending on which way we go, I don't actually know which highway's taking us on. I assume 90.
What is with the security cameras up here?
Those are just for like actual crime, not like a wheelie or nothing. That's for like if you shoot somebody. I love my city, man. This place is so pretty. Probably get gas over there when we're done.
Oh,
Classic spot. I saw that.
That's interesting. I'm actually going to try to see if I can get it to roll now.
Glad you're enjoying it. A little bit much, but it's okay. Whatever. Give you the keys to it. I guess I kind of deserve it.
Hey, this might be.
Yeah. See, this is not the area that you want to have fun in. I told you.
Dude, bitch like that, I'd get in front of her and do like a nasty roll and burnout down the road. Just fun. Like, we haven't even done anything.
This is not the area to be doing the fun things, I was telling you.
We just rolled up.
I like revving my bike through here and then blaming other people. It's fun. Is this a cop behind us? Oh, it's one of those Jeeps, bro. That scared me. I saw the yellow LEDs. I'm like,
yeah, sometimes those LEDs are bright at lights.
That scared me too, bro. I was like, Mike whipped around, just broken up Mike's neck, dude.
Should I drop back and hit the limiter once, just right before the speed bump? Nope.
Hitting that speed bump as hard as possible.
Yeah, y'all scared a little speed bump?
I was like, it's not my forks. They kicked us out one time. This actually happened with Sean. We were all parked up right in this spot, and the security guard came by and started yelling at us. And then we left, and then he did launch control right where the cop was right there. And then we all got pulled over. It was really funny. I never posted it, but if you spilled that all over my tank, I'm gonna football tackle you off that bike.
I highly doubt that.
I'll pin you down and just start looking up and down your helmet, looking at your beautiful face, your eyes just so deep as emeralds.
That's romantic.
I'll wipe the tears that slowly form on your face.
Dark romance.
No.
Romance novels with your girlfriend. Okay, that's not. You cannot top that off. Just leave that like that.
No, but we were watching My Hero Academia, and then my girlfriend just pulls up this like website out of nowhere I've never heard of in my life, and just starts reading fan fiction. That shit was cool.
No, if the cool is the word I'd use.
There were some hashtags in some of those stories that I've never heard of in my life. I didn't even realize that some of those were words in the English language.
Yeah, that don't surprise me.
One of them was like urethra play or something like that.
Yeah, I know what that is, right? But I wouldn't have thought of that to say it like that.
I thought my girlfriend was innocent.
This was a lie. You've been lied to. Oh, this feels so good. Give me 5 minutes while I go through this menu.
We just turn on my back massager, my GPOs,
my anti-gravity gun.
Oh, what'd you say?
You look familiar.
What's going on? Turn your bike off so I can hear him.
Are you dog taken?
Yeah, sometimes.
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Holy crap,
Dude, that's
I
my
messaged
answer.
you on Instagram.
I'm sorry?
I messaged you on Instagram.
Oh, thank you. We're vibing. It's a beautiful night. We're having a good time.
I noticed that you live around here.
Oh, yeah. I used to live around here. I live further south now, but...
Oh, I see. Well, thank you for stopping by here. I appreciate it.
It's a lovely gas station you're running.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Yo, you stop by anytime you want, man.
Oh, thank you. It's nice to feel welcome.
I know you guys... I know the Westside cops give you such a hard time.
No, they don't bother us. They just kind of stalk us like sharks all the time. They don't bother us directly.
What's that sheet I always see you at getting such a hard time?
That's well, either...
Is that the one in on Snow Road over there by Parma?
Yeah, or the Ridgeville one I got trespassed from, but...
Oh, well here I promise you ain't gonna have no problems.
Oh, thank you. Well, I appreciate you. Yeah, that's super nice of you.
Stop anytime y'all want, 100%.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
You do have a nice little LED blue lighting up here.
You do. They took care of this place. You like nice little Westlake spot.
That's awesome, dude. To have a owner of a gas station come out and tell you that, that's some shit I wish I had happen. So we can compare them next year. Like, hell, I'll jump on the R6 too at some point and just, you know.
That one's gonna be a no.
Yeah, I'll jump on the R6. It'll be fine.
You're not touching the R6. I'm gonna be a little bit stingy about the R6. That's my baby. That's my bike. That's my thing. So we used to meet at this Sheets right here. Actually, this is a little history lesson. This used to be like our spot.
He said cop.
Where? He's in the gas station? Oh. Let me freaking out my ears. I started something. Hey.
You like the joke? I want you to. do it. Come on, hit me. Hit me!
You know what I mean though? Like kind of like whenever the weather's nice, like everybody comes out here. Oh, I forgot to tell you back there that Sheets. That's where I had the where's your buddy guy? My buddy ran from the cops. And that was like a huge, that blew up like 2 years ago.
Dude, I saw a new one of those, Who's Your Buddy, and that cop was like, just blatantly abusing his power.
Are you sure
Just
it's a real
said that to
video?
him.
Are you sure it's a real video? Because there was a dude who copied me. Are you
It was
sure?
a real video. It was a real video. It was a black guy, or a Mexican dude who got pulled over by this cop.
Oh, okay. There was a biker who went viral on TikTok lately who literally copied my video word for word. Like my real video of me getting a ticket from a cop. And he just like, the camera's just on him like this. And you can't even see the cop. It's just like his friend saying some shit. You get impatient as hell, bro. You start revving in traffic. I'm so glad I changed the oil on that thing. I'm abusing that thing. All right.
I just want to put in that work, man.
Are you capable of just like chilling out in traffic?
Drop back. I want to thought.
Are you capable of just like relaxing and enjoying a ride for once in your life?
I mean, a little bit.
Maybe just enjoy the wind going through your hair.
I'm just trying to think about how well this bike would swerve with a brand new back tire, boy. I'd be working it. I mean,
yeah, no, I can imagine it. I know. Maybe you like get one of your own, but bro's having a good time. He's having a grand old time in Cleveland. I'm glad he came here.